When was the last time that you challenged yourself? Whatever type of challenge that is. Here, right now, I'm challenging my own body with cold, and I invite you to challenge yourself. It's a cabin of, you will see all that. And I'm challenging even this mic to see if you guys can hear me while I'm in this extremely hot natural cave of vapor. But the only reason I'm telling you about challenging yourself is because during the challenge is where you see the growth in life. To get a bunch of people into my website by developing social media pages, specifically on Facebook, I ended up getting rewarded more than I ever expected, because not only did I get people to go to my website, but I got Facebook to cut me checks, and I wasn't even expecting that. So it's the same thing with you guys. If you want to challenge yourself to make money online, I'm telling you, one of the best ways and easiest ways that you can make money for whatever type of content you want to make, whether it's faceless or non-faceless content, to be Facebook. And we're right now putting out a 7-day challenge for those people that want to be able to challenge themselves to create a Facebook page. Because once you learn how to create one and monetize it properly, you can do 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, how many Facebook pages do you want to make? The same way that I'm out here getting all my vapor up right now and challenging myself, I'm doing it in a way to challenge my own body, my own temperature. But I actually don't have to do the vapor right now because I've been doing it for the past 20 minutes. The real challenge is not this. Heat, to me, is absolutely nothing. This is the real challenge right here. This is cold water. I'm about to immerse myself in. I'm not going to challenge the mic on cold water because I might end up without a mic. So I'm just going to put it out here, and hopefully me speaking a little loudly, you can hear me while I'm over here challenging myself with this cold water. But I'm telling you, in our private community, that the link is in the description below, is way easier than what I'm doing right now. So have to challenge yourself. You don't have to challenge yourself. Challenging myself. But if you want an easier challenge that usually monetize Facebook pages, check the description below. Check our community out. Sign up for the 7-day free trial challenge that we have, and learn everything you need to learn to make money online, specifically on Facebook, on any niche that you can think about. Anyways, here's a challenge for me. Look to me. All right, here we go. I'm gonna last 7 Mississippis, okay? Oh, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi. Oh, my hair, all crazy. That's a real challenge right there. But the challenge I'm inviting you to do, it's so much easier than what I just did. To put yourself in cold water, you don't have to put yourself in extremely hot temperatures. All you have to do is sign up, check out the description below for our private community right there, where we teach you everything about creating, growing, monetizing, and scaling Facebook money pages. We'll see you right over there. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this type of content. Here on Grind to Freedom, we're going to keep grinding towards our freedom so you have an incredible work and life balance that your future self will thank you for. Catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm going to keep doing more challenges.